So we back out in the garden. I'm about to give my plants a little bit of feed. Now let's take a quick. So my asparagus that I need to pick. And this is coming along good. I'm probably like separate them up, put them around the bed. We have carrots that are sprinkled all over. Coming up. Mina! That's lettuce. That's more different type of lettuce. That's pak choy. That's arugula, radish, Swiss chard, and then kale out there. So I went to Home Depot and I picked up some red onions. So I got 2 bunches of red onions. And then I also picked up which one is this? Yellow. I think 2 bunches of yellow. Yeah, 1 yellow, Spanish yellow, and 1 Walla Walla onion. So I'm gonna see how many of them I can plant out today. Hi. Let's take a look at the fruit trees. I saw my first peach today. Oh, look at that too. A little baby peach right there. A cherry tree. And then, where did I see that peach? Oh, yep. Right there. My first peach. I don't see any more. And these are the plums. Okay. And then the strawberries that I potted. I need to water this bed so that I can kind of dry. So I'm gonna water this bed. Yeah, looking dry. So I'm gonna water this bed now. Raspberry. I'm gonna plant some of my onions in this bed right here. And then I'm gonna plant either corn in this one. I think I might do corn. We'll see. So in this bed, I'm gonna plant my corn in this bed here. I have to get one of those tripods. Come out of there. Got your foot. Mina. Put it back. Put it back. Hello. Put it back.
I don't know.
Huh? Mina? Hi, baby. No, don't trouble.
Daddy?
Huh?
Daddy?
Yeah.
Yes?
So I have my corn there. I'm gonna plant my onions here. Hmm. Some fertilizer in the bed. So this is gonna be my red onion bed.